what I wanna do, then I'ma get a business too.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Dumb and naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat, when who's swimming. It took me some time, but now I moved on. Because I realize I got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling, you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me. Come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know. Even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong. Because I realize I got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I would never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting with you. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you see the sun come out again. Yeah, I know that I would never disappoint myself. I'm crying. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. You hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you see the sun come out again. I beat myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend.
Tell me, fellas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say, yeah. Excuse me, miss. Oh, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, oh. I know you're trying to leave, miss. I saw you dance with you. How I love to keep you here with me, your baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow is ours. You say you don't really dance, you just one two step, one two step. Now with the music it's moving too fast. Now my head a little tired. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say yeah. Excuse me, miss. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say yeah. Tryna leave how I love to keep you here with me, your baby. I think I'll say yeah. I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. I saw you from across the room, and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say yeah. There she is, I gotta stop her. Oh yeah. Tryna leave. Oh. I would love to keep you here with me, you baby. Just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if you shorties in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand. Hope you can understand y'all will leave hands like this. Y'all will make it bounce like this. You let her know she was made for you, and you wanna do everything she want to, man.
Oh, listen, wait me, baby.
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute shit to the highlights. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Flip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you get it 'cause you know I like it. Taking up a date for you. Sweet baby, you get when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. We've been too talking about it. Can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me your outside, boy. Know it's been a while, boy. I wanna get wild. I wanna drive you crazy. Pull up inside me, baby. Fucking it up like oopsie daisy. Ain't no way then but some maybes. Don't be developing that shit like you lazy. I need you to roll up in that shit like you skating. Baby, don't hold up on that shit, I hate waiting. Shoot your shot and be patient. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute trips to the highlands. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Flip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you get me 'cause you know I like it. Taking up a date for you. Sweet baby, like it when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. We've been too talking about it. Can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me your outside, boy. Know it's been a while, boy. I wanna get wild. Oh yeah, you know you tried on time. Baby, bring it to me, try one lie. No, I need it more than just one time, 2 times, a few times. You know that I need it to me, baby, right on time. Baby, bring it to me, try one lie. I'm putting it overtime and overdrive.
Give me low, turn me round, treat me like a watch, bust me down. On the kitchen floor, right on that towel. It's my and I want it now. Ow. Tell me how you want it. Put me on my back, on my stomach. Baby, let me blow it like a trumpet. I could do it all. I could probably suck a watermelon through a straw. Believe me, every other day, new wig, new hair. Come take me out this smooth glare. I be waiting on you some long. Gerard, down low like bombs, sweat, boom. Nothing but a robe in your house. I wanna put these pretty pink toes in your mouth. Send news to your phone while you working. Boy, you gotta see it in person. Believe me.
Can't just keep talking about it. We've been too talking about it. We can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me your outside, boy. Know it's been a while, boy. I wanna get wild.
Thank you guys for tuning into my video. As you can see, I am ready to go to bed, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed. I tried to make it as detailed as possible. This is how it came out. I'll definitely show y'all what it looks like when I get up in the morning, but I'm just gonna do my outro now because I'm gonna hit the hay. And yeah, like I said, thank you guys for tuning in. Let's see y'all in the next one.
If you know exactly what I wanna do, then I'ma get a business too.
You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta